Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning. A very cold morning, to say the least. Single digits and teens across the state, but we've had wind chills this morning that have dropped below zero. Still are in a few areas, especially out east. Pikeville, it feels like 6 below zero. Feels like 9 below in Cumberland. Here in central Kentucky, a lot of lower single digits and even 3 or 1 below, I should say, in Maysville right now. So very cold if you have to be outside today, any length of time at all. Layers, layers, layers. You don't want that wind to obviously whisk away the heat from your body. So layer up. Now we'll see a lot of sunshine today thanks to this high pressure, but back off to the west, it's kind of hard to see. You see a little blue starting to show up now. That's the radar finding maybe some flurries in the parts of Illinois back here. This little batch of clouds likely does scoot east toward us by midday and early afternoon. You'll see that on Futurecast, but over time it has that area of clouds kind of fading away. I still think we will see some of those, so it could turn partly cloudy by the afternoon. Temperatures climbing between about 25 and 30. We wake up tomorrow morning and temperatures are going to be getting warmer by tomorrow morning because winds crank up ahead of this cold front out of the southwest. So our low temperatures will likely be around midnight tonight, and then we'll rise to upper 20s and some low 30s by the time we're getting up tomorrow morning. So with temperatures climbing closer to freezing and some precipitation starts to break out, that could initially be in the form of a rain-snow mix or a little bit of snow at first, and then goes over to some chilly rain showers. I think by tomorrow afternoon, though, and evening, the showers have shifted or are shifting more into southeastern parts of the state. It gets colder behind that front, especially by the end of the week. Between this afternoon, looking at temperatures between about 25 and 32, mostly sunny after the frigid start. Not as windy today as it was yesterday, but the wind will pick up tonight. That's what helps to transport warmer air winds out of the south. 10 to 20 miles an hour with that rain-snow mix toward morning. That's why the chance is small, because most of the overnight there won't be any precipitation. We'll just have clouds that start to increase. Now, the moment that you've all been waiting for at home to hear about the upcoming weekend and the potential for a winter storm. Now, we've talked about this for several days now. We've seen it on the long-term models that have been looking and seeing that there was a signal showing up for some winter weather. But as always, the track of that low determines everything, okay? Plus a big Arctic high to the north, how strong that is also is going to help to determine where the low can go, because that cold air to the north tries to suppress that low farther south. So as it stands right now, we've seen that shift a little farther north with the precipitation, and it looks like right now primarily snow, but the farther that north that track goes, we could work in some ice across southern and southeast Kentucky. Bottom line, the precipitation types not set in stone, and definitely amounts not set in stone either. But what we can tell you right now primarily looks like a snow event for most of the area Saturday into Sunday, and it could be significant. Yes, significant, okay? I mean, we are watching it very, very closely. As we go into the rest of the week, though, overall cold. The warmest day is obviously Wednesday, maybe Thursday, and then we're down into the teens for highs on Saturday, maybe not even getting to the 20s on Sunday. A great time to have the Fox 56 weather app. We'll be posting updates on there throughout the week.